In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off LED flash notifications on your iPhone. When you get notifications and that LED at the back side of your device flashes, that might be annoying. And now let me show you how you can easily turn off that feature. Just be sure you watch this video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, head over to settings, then scroll down until you find accessibility, then scroll down again until you find audio visual. Tap on it. And then scroll down to the very bottom, where you can easily find LED flash for alerts. You can just tap on it, and all you have to do in order to turn off LED flash notifications on your device is just turn off that switcher next to LED flash for alerts. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.